Hello, welcome to Kugastebe Township. My name is Chris Bangira. I own the coffee brand called Kafa Hoist. The brand was established in 2016. Our aim is to grow the coffee entrepreneurship and the coffee culture into our township youth and the adults. The Investec program that is going to inspire and give a guidance to entrepreneurship via different platforms. This is going to be a good program for me in terms of what am I lacking to grow my business and to expand. Running our business for the second year now, we saw a good outcomes, including the customers that who buys from us in a daily basis. So Investec, I believe it's a platform for us to actually master the old plan that we are doing and to become a franchise business that is going to help. Thank you for listening to us, and we hope you guys you can select us as one of the brand that will get this opportunity.